Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Natalia Y. Taylor. It's been a minute since you guys have heard from me, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that we're going through some crazy freaking times right now with COVID-19 or coronavirus or whatever you are calling it right now. It's just crazy, crazy times. And I want to have a little chat with you guys to see how you're holding up, tell you what's going on with me since the last time you've heard from me. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So first of all, I just want to say, how are you guys doing? Like, really, how are you doing? As you can see, I have my COVID-19 braids in my hair because everything is shut down. You're not getting your hair done. Right now, it is essential businesses only that that are able to stay open, which really sucks if you really think about the impact that's going to have on small businesses like the one I'm trying to start, or maybe the one you're trying to start, or the businesses that have already started out there in the world. Like, they're really going through it right now, and this is going to be something that's going to be tough for all of us to come out of. And yeah, I think we really have to think really like long and hard about the future and what that means for our businesses, the businesses that we've started. Quite honestly, I think that this incident has really shed a light on our future, and that is super scary. It's scary for me. I don't know about you guys, but it's super scary for me. Just because I've been learning a lot about like how to plan for the next 10 to 20 years. I've been learning and reading a lot about that, and I took a lot of comfort in those things. And now that this has happened, I don't know that those things are good strategies anymore. And I kind of just want to talk about it. I don't want to be up here kind of being one of those people who are like doom and gloom, or just all is lost and all that stuff. I take my comfort in the Lord. I know that He will provide. I'm not concerned in that aspect of it. But to live in these days, what will it take for those of us who really wanted to fight to leave legacies for our families? What does that mean now? So anyway, I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, so I'm going to dial it back a little bit. And I want to just kind of catch you guys up on where I am right now as it relates to when I last saw you guys, where I left you. And if you recall, we talked about me setting goals for my business and where I was really trying to go with it. My grandma thought that I could not make $60,000 in my business. And right about now, I'm agreeing with grandma, just because I'm like so upside down right now when it comes to the things that I had planned for my business, the strategy that I put in place for my business. Everything right now is up in the air, and I don't know if you guys are feeling the same way. If you are just, and I don't even want to ask this question because I know there's probably a lot of you who do feel just unsure about what the future holds. Maybe I should ask the question, if you are sure about what the future holds, leave a comment below, enlighten some of us on what our strategies probably should be going forward. Because I'm going to tell you, when it comes to me, your girl has almost just, right now I'm just observing everything, and I really need to rethink the business that I've decided to go into. And I'm going to give you a couple reasons why I want to rethink that. And it's the same reasons that I had before I even started it, but I went ahead and did it anyway, just because I felt that urge to do it. And I felt a push that, I felt like it was something that I needed to do. And I still feel like that. I just need a better strategy, if that means anything to you guys. Because right now, for those of you who do not know, I have a online boutique that I started. We're going into our second year, And everything was like, we started the year out great. I had big goals, big plans for my business. And right now I'm just questioning all of that. So for instance, when it relates to product, I feel like I'm all over the place with the selections that I make, the selections that I'm buying for my business. I don't feel like they fully represent what I want my company to be. And a lot of that has to do with the choices that are out there. And when you're first starting out, you're kind of limited to what the selections are. And trust me, there are a million selections, and you kind of find the gems as you go along. But I still to this day have not found a solid aesthetic as it relates to, the type of woman that I am buying clothes for, which sucks. And for those of you who know me and know the goals that I had for 2020, I really was anxious and excited about private labeling. At the top of the year, had already started investing in private labeling for this year. I wanted to roll out I wanted this year to be something great. And as soon as COVID hit, I gotta tell you, I'm a little confused on where to go from here. I have made initial investments into the private labeling, and I have not really heard back from the company that I've spent money with, and that is really frustrating to me as a business owner. I'm wondering if I should cut my losses and not continue on with that company. I just don't know. I'm really torn about what I need to do there. Not only that, the selection of merchandise that I've been investing in, like with all of this happening, because I'm not able to find a consistent type of clothing that I want for my business, I'm wondering if I should just focus on loungewear, because I'm all about comfortable clothing. I'm all about cute clothing. And now that we're home, it really frustrates me that I don't have a consistent, not consistent, but maybe just a wide range of comfortable clothing that is not just a random t-shirt and tights or shorts. Like, I want my casual clothing to be like on point, and I don't have that, which is crazy and insane to me considering I have a online boutique. And I've always known that my boutique was lacking in something, and a lot of that has to do with focus and vision, like where I want to go with it and what I want, who my customer is and where they're going and whatnot. I feel like I'm all over the place. I don't know if this is helping you guys, and really wanted you to know that as it relates to an update to where I was the last time I spoke to you guys, just where I am mentally. I'm all over the place. Honestly, I'm all over the place, which is why I have not put out another video. I don't really know what I want to say to you guys. And then I just felt like maybe I just need to be real. I just need to be real with you. I'm all over the place, and I don't know where to go from here. I don't know if I want to invest more money in something that I know people may have a hard time spending their money on, if that makes any sense. I feel like we are really about to enter some of the worst economic times in our country. And the last thing people are going to want to do is spend money on clothing. And that may or may not be true, but that's just a feeling that I have right now. And I haven't even been advertising my clothing. I haven't been pushing the sale. I haven't been doing any of that right now. I've kind of just been frozen. I've just been kind of frozen. I don't know which way I want to go with it yet. And I'm here talking to you guys so that I can get it all out. I'm not going to let it stop me. I don't have that type of fear. I just have the type of concern as to which direction I need to be going right now, because One thing I can say is that for those of you who do know me, I do still have a full-time career. Thank God. Thank God I did not go and invest in a warehouse space, which is what I really wanted to do because my inventory was getting, pretty high. So to have my inventory here was just another issue for me, and I really wanted another space. So I just thank God that I didn't jump the gun on that one, because I could only imagine how much more stressful it would be for me to be in a situation to where I also have to think about not only how I'm going to pay the bills for my household, or me and my husband are going to pay the bills for our household, but also how will we pay this other bill, a lease, and utilities or whatever for this other location that we're not even able to go and make money from. That is insane. We've never been in a situation like this before, ever in my lifetime, and it's insane to me what we're going through right now. And as you guys already know, some of you probably lost your jobs. I know some of you are in worse positions, and I just pray for you guys, and I hope that things get better soon for all of us. So, in saying that, that's my video diary update to you guys, to let you know where I am, where my head is, and hopefully it'll get better from here. But I'm just gonna take it one day at a time. But that's all I have right now for this video update. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you're doing well. Stay safe. Stay clean, and wear your protective, your PPE, whatever it takes whenever you have to make your runs. And I just hope and pray that we're out of this mess soon. So I will chat with you guys later, and see you soon. All right.